Aiden. Aiden. Hey, Aiden. Hi. Say hi. How you doing? Huh? Hey, Aiden. Hey, Aiden. Hmm? Can I get a Kool-Aid smile? Huh? Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Huh? Hey. You up here looking crazy? Hmm? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Aiden. Aiden. What are you looking at? Hey. Look at all my baby necks. You can't even see my baby neck. It's so fat. Hey. Hey, fat man. Yeah, look at that smile. Yeah, look at that smile, huh? Hey, fat man. Hey, fat man. Aiden. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Huh? Say I'm only 3 weeks. But I look bigger than that. And I eat like a grown man. Yeah, look at that smile. Oh, look at that smile. Oh, shit. Don't spit. Hey, you can't be looking all sexy and spitting. Hey, does that smell like baby powder? Say yeah. Say my mama got me smelling like baby powder. You want to see all this hair? Say look. See the back of my head? I got a shag. It's long. And the top part, it won't lay down. And there goes my one curl. See all my hair? Say bye. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Say I love you, Grandma. Hey. 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 Aiden. Aiden. Not gonna make no faces today? No faces today? So I just lay here most of the time. Hmm?